Hi, I'm Ali and welcome back to DeliBytes. Cutting can take a lot of time, and with so many features, tools and options in Premiere, you'll want to adopt a couple of shortcuts here and there to speed up the whole process. So today I'm going to run you through a couple of helpful editing shortcuts that you can use when you're cutting your footage. So here we are back in Premiere. So the first shortcut I'm going to show you is probably the most important one when editing. Command S or Control S for PC saves your project. This is a shortcut you should apply at any and all moments you make changes to your project. Even though Premiere has an autosave feature running, getting into the habit of using this shortcut will give you peace of mind that you will never lose any progress. Command C or Control C for PC is copy. When you're working in the timeline, one hand is on the mouse and the other on the keyboard. Selecting a clip with your mouse and then hitting Command and C instead of right-clicking and navigating to copy is going to save you precious seconds in the process. To paste, simply hover your playhead over the area of the timeline you want and hit Command V. Now in your timeline you'll notice there are bars in the bottom and side that you can use to click and drag to zoom in and out of your sequence, but why waste time clicking and dragging when you can just hit the plus and minus keys? Super easy. So when you're wanting to cut a clip, you can either go to the razor tool from the tool panel next to your timeline, or you can just hit C on your keyboard. Once you've cut your clip, simply hit the V key and you're back to the normal select tool. Holding down Shift along with the razor tool is a nifty shortcut that can be used to cut down the entire timeline from wherever your playhead is hovering, instead of razoring each individual clip from layer to layer. For the most part in Premiere, you're working with different panels in their own little corners, but if you hover your mouse over a particular panel and hit the little tilde key, which is that little squiggly symbol that lives in the upper far left-hand side of your keyboard, it'll expand the panel into full screen. So you can use this for when you're needing to do detailed cutting in your timeline, or for getting closer looks at your preview monitor, for example. Simply hit the squiggly again and you're back to normal. Hope that video was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, then feel free to go to the Deli agency website below and keep an eye out for more DeliBytes coming soon.